The state Supreme Court with a ruling this afternoon that determines how the case of the Delphi murder suspect will move forward.
Richard Allen is accused of killing teenagers Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017. They were found near the Monon High Bridge in Delphi. WRTV's Caitlin Kendall was in the hearing today.
Yeah, she's here in studio. And Caitlin, Allen was asking for his original lawyers back, for the judge to be removed, and for a speedy trial. What did the high court decide on all of that?
Well, Mark and Nicole, the Indiana Supreme Court has ruled in favor of both sides tonight. The hearing lasted an hour. Each side had 30 minutes to argue their case. Twists and turns have halted any movement at all in this case, which is why one thing was clear today. Everyone wants this case back on track. The Indiana Supreme Court heard arguments from people representing Allen, Judge Fran Gohl, and the Attorney General's office. Allen, the man accused of killing Abby Williams and Libby German, requesting this of the Supreme Court: replace Special Judge Fran Gohl, set a trial date within 70 days, and reinstate his original public defenders, Andrew Baldwin and Brad Rosie. The former attorneys say that they were forced to remove themselves from the case, and when trying to get back on it, Judge Gohl denied that request. Allen's current attorney argued that he wanted Baldwin and Rosie reinstated and that he has a constitutional right to that representation. Well, we now know that the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Allen today, granting that request to have his attorneys reinstated. Now, here's what was said about that request during the hearing earlier today.
Let him have his attorney to get this case back. Let him have his attorneys. He wants to privately hire them. I'm really struggling with why he can't make that decision that's in his best interest and get this case moving again.
I mean, I thought the judge made clear that her mind was made up. She had prepared a script. She'd already made the decision. If they wanted a hearing, they could get it, but there was no opportunity to persuade her. Did I misunderstand?
Now, the request for a trial within 70 days was denied. That means Allen is expected to stand trial in October. The Supreme Court also denied Allen's request for Judge Gohl to be removed. Now, this all happened very quickly late this evening, so we should expect to hear the Supreme Court's reasoning on their decisions here in the coming weeks. Nicole?
Caitlin, thank you. And today, prosecutors in Carroll County filed a request to allow for more charges against Allen. Prosecutors want to add 2 charges of murder while kidnapping and 2 charges of kidnapping. The judge in the case will eventually decide if the new charges are added. Allen already faces 2 counts of murder.